Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, okay, the beauty secret. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe now. Please like, comment and share, guys. Don't forget to hit on the notification button, okay, so you can always get notified. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a lip combo. So this is the first look for the day. So I'll be showing you. So guys, there's an arrow at the right hand under the display screen you're watching me right now. Click on it and you see the description box where you can read everything I use, the products I use for this lip, and the links. You can also get more tutorials, so stay tuned guys. So I'll be using this. So try to line your lip. As you can see, my lip is already prominent, so I'm going to follow the line. Must try to be careful. So you don't stain your makeup. If you mistakenly stain your makeup, then you have to use concealer to define it. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something here. Okay, so when you line up to this level, I'm going to show you this V shape here is a cupid bow here. So we will try to line it properly so that you can bring out the shape. All right, so guys, watch me do it. This way. Okay, let's just go there. So this is what I do here. I go a little bit upper. Watch. As you can see, I try to create this. Then follow the V, follow the shape downwards. This is what we call the vanillin border here. Sorry, here, vanillin border. So guys, as you can see, the next thing for me to do right now is to now don't mind this. I know it's rough, me looking at it, but what is important is the outcome. So guys, I'll be adding another. I'm going to join sorry, I am going to apply the same color so guys, in order to blend, I'm going to add this. So it's time to blend. I'll show you. If you want, you can tap if you want. So now I'm going to blend. I'm using this to blend. So guys, blend the place where the line where the two lipsticks intersects with each other only. Are you seeing any difference? Are you seeing something? Are you seeing any difference, guys? I can see if you can see it. So if you want, you can also intensify this color, the nude color. That's the second color you're using to blend. You can intensify it if you want, guys. So guys, so if you wish, guys, you can apply a wet lip. That's if you want. So I usually love it this way. So check it out, check my lips out, guys.